find each product. X plus 4 squared. So notice that this is a binomial squared. When we have a binomial squared, every single time it follows a special pattern. We can express the pattern as a plus b squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And if it's a minus, so a minus b squared, that's a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So what this says is, when you have a binomial squared, you square the first term, you take twice the product of the two terms, and you square the second term. So our first term is x, and our second term is 4. Alright, so then x plus 4 squared is, you square the first, you add twice the product, and you square the second. So this simplifies then as x squared plus 8x plus 16. Let's look at exercise B, 3x minus 7 squared. Now compare that to what we have written up in the top right. That's a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So we would have then 3x squared, the first square, minus twice the product of the terms. So twice 3x by 7, and then plus the square of the 7, yielding 9x squared minus 42x plus 49. Exercise C, we have 5a squared plus 3b, that whole quantity is being squared. Well, again, in general, if we have a plus b squared, that's a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So the only difference is now our first is that whole 5a squared. So we would square that whole thing, plus twice the product of the two terms, and we would square the second term. Five a squared would be 25, a to the fourth, plus 2 times 5a squared times 3b would be 10a squared times 3b, that would be 30a squared b, and then 3b quantity square is 9b squared. Exercise D, we have 3/5 m plus n squared, again using the same pattern. That would be 3/5 m quantity square plus 2 times 3/5 m times n plus n squared. 3/5 squared is 9/25, so we have 9/25 m squared. 2 times 3/5 is 6/5 times 1 is 6/5 mn, and then plus n squared.